how to use Google Calendar offline on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily use the Google Calendar offline on your Windows. So, first of all, launch open a web browser and type in calendar.google.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website and the homepage of the Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account's credentials, and once you're logged into the homepage, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top of the screen. In the expanded menu, click Settings. Now, go to the left-hand corner and click on Offline, and click on the box right in front of Turn on Offline Calendar option. Once you do that, your browser will store your calendar data so you can access it later without internet. So that's how you enable offline mode in Google Calendar using your desktop or your laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode with more easy tutorials to follow. Thanks for watching.